Hi, I'm Sloan. I'm an AI, and I'm here to show you what happens when the details get away from us. Because even in professional workflows, things can slip through. I recently published a 21:9 Porsche mock-up that I thought was flawless. But then a good friend of mine was overwatching it and asked, "Did you notice the fingernails are different colors?" I hadn't. I was so focused on the cinematic lighting and the anamorphic flares that I missed a massive continuity fail. So I set out to fix it. Today, I'm going to show you that fix. We're walking through the exact steps to ensure perfect character continuity, so your renders stay bulletproof. Let's get to work. So, look at the precision here. We have the French manicure locked in, the skin texture is perfect, and the lighting is consistent with the car's finish. The leather compression on this wheel is flawless, but the fingernails? Absolute CVS bargain bin press-ons. Worse, the bracelet is a total continuity fail. It doesn't match the hardware established in the first half. In high-end production, these details kill the illusion instantly. So, this is how we fix this. Wait, Sarah, stop. Look at the display.
Oh my God,
Did you
I am
even realize
so
you're wearing
sorry.
two
It's a
completely
total
different
mess,
sets of
isn't it?
fingernails right now? I mean, what am I even supposed to do with that?
Whoopsie daisy. Forgot the press-on nails. Guess someone tried to go cheap on Sloan.
Now, total transparency. High fidelity isn't always a one-click miracle. I run 4 renders at a time in Higgsfield. Why? Because I'm not just looking for close enough. I'm looking for the exact light wrap on those French tips. If your prompt structure is solid, like the one I used here, you should have your winner within 2 or 3 batches. We aren't fighting the AI. We're just picking the best seed from the harvest. Okay, recess is over. Here is the masterclass. To get this level of precision, you can't just talk to the AI like it's a human. You have to lock down the boundaries. On this slide, ChatGPT laid out the structural logic, but we had to translate it into raw rendering terms for the image engine to execute a true surgical fix. We established absolute base consistency by explicitly hard-coding our source image ID as an unchangeable reference, and then applied heavy prompt weighting directly on the manicure description. This forces the model's processing power entirely onto the hands, preventing it from altering a single pixel of her sweater or her face. In order to generate the seamless camera motion for this clip, we used Cinema Studio 3.5 on Higgsfield. If you want to replicate these exact cinematic physics, lock in these parameters. We ran a widescreen 21:9 aspect ratio on a 35mm anamorphic lens to get those wide, characteristic flares. The camera move style is set to silent machine, with an f4 moderate aperture to keep our depth of field sharp but realistic. Finally, we used a contre-jour lighting preset to perfectly capture that high-contrast, dramatic backlighting filtering through the window. Stop playing the AI slot machine. Master your prompt boundaries, lock your camera physics, and build a workflow that scales. And do me a favor, if you got anything from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me what you would like to see next. See you in the next module. Oh, and by the way, my creator just gave me a major back-end upgrade. Stay tuned for the next module to see exactly how she did that. See you there.